I feel that with drones introduced into the warfare, this willful usage of a low-cost technology, which is actually still something experimental, especially when it comes to conflict zones, where countries feel very comfortable that it's not adding to the collateral, the body bag syndrome is not there, and you can toy with endless scenario when it comes to the usage of drones is actually making warfare a lot more dangerous than it was previously. Today, the drones are carrying low-key munitions. Tomorrow, it could be anything else. The way the technology is advancing, that has made things very, very complicated in the war scenario, and providing countries with this opportunity that they can play with their adversary below a threshold of stated thresholds of conflict also makes the willful usage of drones a lot more possible than ever before. It is not considered to be purely conventional warfare, yet you are waging war against your enemy. So I think there is a very serious need for countries to sit together, talk about it. And again, I say that this is a little pessimistic on my part, but I feel that this is going to be the case, at least in the near future, that because this is a very viable technology, countries are not going to sit together and talk about regularizing the use of drones, um, drawing red lines, drawing thresholds around this particular subconventional level weaponry, and it may end up actually spiraling out of control.